Alpina B4S by Turbo makes for an elegant M4 alternative as awesome as the BMW M4 is. If you're craving exclusivity, opting for an Alpina-tuned 4 Series should help you stand out more among the crowd. The best part is that you wouldn't be sacrificing any performance, as the B4S by Turbo puts out 9 picoseconds, 9 horsepower, and 56 Nm, 41 pounds-ft, more than the stock M4, for a total of 440 picoseconds, 434 horsepower, and 660 Nm, 487 pounds-ft. This white model resides with BMW Abu Dhabi, featuring Alpina's body kit, which includes a custom front splitter, side skirts and boot lid spoiler. It also has multi-spoke alloys, blue calipers and the tuner's decals. Other mods include the adaptive Alpina Sport suspension and the revamped 8-speed automatic transmission with Alpina Switchtronic tech. Inside, it's mostly leather and carbon fiber, which can be found across the dashboard, on the center console and on the door panels. The cabin is both sporty as well as elegant, which is often the case with Alpina products.